tell me what's been going on with this court case and what happened today.
So today I learned from my legal team that the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals upheld our appeal of our case that was heard in Houston a year ago. And so they've upheld a long-standing tradition in America is for government bodies to be able to have a brief invocation. Senate, Texas Supreme Court, U.S. Supreme Court, Congress, all these entities are allowed to have a brief invocation as a part of an opening ceremony, and the Fifth Circuit ruled in our favor today.
How long? This has been going on for several years now.
Our first letter to stop doing what we were doing in our courts with our opening ceremony, honoring our chaplains, was 8 years ago. And so for 8 years ago, we feel like we're on the right side of the Constitution regarding this issue, and today we've prevailed, and the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals agrees with that decision.
What's your feelings on this now?
I'm relieved from the standpoint of it's been a long battle, and I appreciate the people that have supported us and stood by us. You and I are on a scene right now where somebody is about to get the worst news of their life, and that's the reason we have the chaplaincy program, to be able to help families. And we literally have every mosque, temple, synagogue, every church you can imagine a part of our chaplaincy program. And so we take a moment as a part of our opening ceremony of our court to tell them chaplains thank you. And the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals has told us today that not only is it constitutional, it's legal, and it's a long-standing historical standing in our nation. Our nation was founded on faith and freedom.
Tell me about this chaplaincy program. What kind of run it down a little bit? How you started this thing out when you first came in office?
Yes, sir. Because one of my duties as the Justice of the Peace, I'm also the coroner. And so when we have to go give people the worst news of their lives, which is about to happen here in a few moments, if the family requests that, we have a chaplain, regardless of their faith. A chaplain is, when they go on that scene, they're a chaplain. It doesn't matter what faith they are. But we have all the faiths represented. So if somebody would happen to be Muslim or Catholic or Baptist and they request a specific faith, we have all those chaplains available to be responsive. And so we take a moment just to tell these men and women of the faith community thank you as a part of our opening ceremony.
All right.